In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. Let's say I want to freeze this. Let's say I want to freeze this row 4. I can do a couple of different things to do that. First, I can move my cursor here and I can go to View, Freeze, and I can select the row I want to freeze. And it says up to row 5 here, and that is because my cursor is on row 5. If I want to change that to row 5, I need to move my cursor to row 4. Go to View, Freeze, Freeze up to row 4. When I click that, you'll see this gray line up here, and this everything up to row 4 is now frozen. You can do it that way, or what we can do is just come up here where your cursor turns into the hand, grab that gray bar and drag it down to row 4. And now everything from row 1 to 4 is now frozen. We can do the same thing for a column. If I want to freeze a column, go to View, Freeze. Now I want to go to Column, up to column A, because my cursor is in column A. Click that, and now that column A, is now frozen. You can do that. Or you can come up here and grab this column and drag it to the columns you want frozen. And that is how you freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for more tips like this.